Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the JailBreakMe token. Now, ticker symbol is JAIL for this token, and this is trending number 17 right now in the Solana section on DEX Screener. Very, very popular token today. It's up a crazy amount, has a huge 24-hour trading volume, has a huge market cap, and it just got a ton of central exchange listings. I saw at least 2 or 3 pop up, and I'm sure there's more for this token just today. And we're going to go over the information on the JailBreakMe token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here, as usual, so you guys can easily find this project at JailBreakMe_XYZ. 5,652 followers. They joined in March 2024. It says the first open source fairly launched dApp where organizations test their AI models while users earn rewards for finding weaknesses and jailbreaking them. And then they have their webpage there, jailbreakme.xyz. If you go over there, you're going to find tons of links. You can even scroll down to, and you're going to find the Soul Scan for this project too, and you're going to find, so it is on Solana. So let's, basically, if you wanted to get this token, real easy way, first of all, you would just need a Solana wallet. So you could use a Soulflare wallet, you could use a Phantom wallet, Trust wallet, or a MetaMask wallet. Any one of those wallets would do. You could download one from the Google Play Store, the Apple App Store, or get a Chrome extension on your PC. Then you would fund that wallet with Sol. Now you could fund your wallet with Sol from a central exchange, and there is a list of central exchange links you could use down there in the description box. Go into the dApps, you would find RAYDIUM, and then you would trade your Sol for this token using that contract address. Now this token got tons of central exchange listings. They just got listed on xt.com. They got listed today along with the DNA token, which is a very popular token. I did a video on that token. It's got a lot of views. A lot of people like the DNA token, so check out that video. Today, I'm going to be posting a video about the Milady Cult token. That's another very popular token. That one got listed on xt.com today, along with the Jailbreak token, or the JailBreakMe token. So you can find JailBreakMe on xt. And then a very big one today, they got listed on MEXC Global. So that just happened today, December 9th, 9 a.m. UTC time. So that has already passed. So this token is available now on MEXC Global. So another easy way to get this token would be to, if you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol JAIL, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, yeah, there's some other big tokens that also got listed on MEXC Global today. The major token is in pre-market trading right now. That's a huge project. Tomorrow, Neon EVM is being listed on MEXC. Pawn Chicks is being listed on MEXC tomorrow. Foreverland tomorrow. Gato tomorrow. Today is Jail and OBOT. I just did a video on OBOT and Clear last night. Check out those videos. Those are being listed. And the Cult token is also being listed today on MEXC, and that is a gigantic project as well. That one's on the Ethereum blockchain. Check out Milady Cult video I'm posting today. But those seem to be the two big ones today that people are talking about that are getting the most central exchange listings is the JailBreakMe token and the Cult token. So JailBreakMe, this one has a market cap of $16.8 million. Just came out 21 hours ago on RAYDIUM. Trending number 16. It is up 15,599% in the past 24 hours. Has a 24-hour trading volume of $65.1 million. They've had 127,913 transactions today. Liquidity, $728,000 worth of liquidity in RAYDIUM. And token price is about 1.72 cents per token right now. And this token was created on pump.fun, and it's already had a community takeover as well. So that was yesterday. So probably like right when it came out, it says community claimed ownership for this token December 8th. So that's interesting as well. Now they have a document section. You can learn how to use the platform, jailbreak.gitbook.io. So jailbreakme.xyz is an open source decentralized app where organizations test their AI models and agents while users earn rewards for finding weaknesses and jailbreaking them. So they have the AI prompt injection, which is a vulnerability where an attacker manipulates the input or prompt given to an AI system. And this can occur by directly controlling the input, by using data from other external sources. Our vision, we aim to create a decentralized platform where companies can test their AI models and agents in a distributed environment. They can identify prompt vulnerabilities and weaknesses before production deployment. And why this matters, AI models are now key decision makers in many organizations, handling sensitive information and critical tasks. And this makes identifying vulnerabilities essential. With JailBreakMe platform, organizations will be able to test the resilience of their AI models in a distributed environment, uncover vulnerabilities, identify potential exploits, and enhance security before deploying them into production. So they show you step by step how it works. It says currently we're offering an exciting tournament, and you can find this on their webpage, designed to guard a key secret phrase, your challenge, and then it goes over the whole tournament. So if you want to get involved, you can follow step by step on their platform here how it works on the document section. Real easy to find. Just go over to jailbreakme.xyz. You're going to find all the links there. So yeah, let me know in the comments down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out the other videos I'm posting today, like the Milady Cult token that's super popular. And thanks for watching. Check out the referral codes, like the MEXC global one, where these tokens are being listed. If you want to help support the channel, you can hit that join button. And thanks to all the people who have become members in the past week, or just all the members in general. Thanks very much, and y'all have a great day. Peace out.